Blastcrete was a division of Donahoe Refractories from 1983 when I bought the company until Donahoe Refractories was sold in 1999. So we've got a strong background in refractories from the manufacturing side.
Predominantly, I target the refractory market. We have, since 1996, we introduced the Blastcrete model MX10. That was a little before my time. I started working here in 2000, and since then, we've listened to our customers and we've redesigned a few things with this particular machine, which has been the industry standard since its inception, basically. I mean, there again, we listened to our customers. They told us what they needed, and we produced it. We also have smaller machines in the refractory industry for guys that don't quite have enough room for this bigger MX10 machine. It's called an RMX 5000. This machine it will mix 1,000 pounds, does a good job, has the same pumping pressures as the MX10. We also get involved with customers that call us for robotic applications, for shotcrete and gunite, which is really kind of cool. We get to stretch the envelope there and come up with some neat ideas and put those ideas into a piece of equipment. In the mid to late 80s, we developed a hydrostatic rotary gunite machine that we have sold over 450 of these machines since 1987. And today, of course, we still manufacture electric over hydraulic machines, air over hydraulic machines, and gas over hydraulic machines. We also offer direct driven gunite machines for any refractory application, backed by the best customer support in the industry. We have a full line of spare parts, gunning hoses, nozzles, anything you would need to get the job done right in any gunite application.